Question 1.2 states that all guests currently staying at the Luna Hotel have been moved to the Three Seasons Hotel, and we are asked to write a query to update this information. So we know we're going to need to use an update query. And then secondly, we also know that we need to update the tourist table because all guest information and hotel information is stored in the tourist table. And to ascertain this, or if you are uncertain at any stage which table to use in your query, simply go back to your table and we can see that, go back to your tables and we can see that the only table with the hotel field is the tourist table. That immediately shows us we're going to be updating the tourist table. So let's create another query for question 1.2 and switch to our SQL view. So we need to write an update query and we're going to be updating the tourist table, and this is standard syntax of the update query, which you should be familiar with. So we need to now set our hotel field equal to the Three Seasons Hotel, because this is the new hotel that they've been moved to. So we can go ahead and copy that and paste it there. But now we don't want to update all tourist records. We only want to set the hotel equal to Three Seasons Hotel for guests who are staying at the Luna Hotel. This means that we need to use a where clause, and the where clause will be where hotel is equal to Luna Hotel. So the update clause, the string that you provide in your set statement is going to be the new value, and then the string that you provide in your where clause is going to be the current value. That's one way to look at it. And then you want to make sure that whenever you're updating records that you spell everything correctly. And finally, because this is an update query, when we run it, it tells us that it gives us a warning. So my advice is to not update it immediately, rather just go to this prompt and see how many rows you're about to update, and that will give you an indication of whether your SQL clause is correct. So in this situation, we can see we're only about to update one row, and if we go back to the tourist table, we can see that there's only one guest staying at the Luna Hotel. So because we know that this query will only update one row, so that gives us an indication that the query is correct. Alternatively, if the query was not correct, this may have said you are about to update 0 rows. So if I had spelled Luna Hotel incorrectly, it tells me I'm about to update 0 rows, and then I know that I've made an error in the query. Make sure to save, and let's move on.